Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to a special Father's Day unboxing. Now, my wife handed me over this box, and I started to open it up, and she said, "Well, maybe you should just stop right there and do an unboxing video." And I thought, what a great idea! So, I already started, and I will be taking out the wrapping. Oh, what is this? What is this? A Bobby Legs Loves Watches t-shirt. Oh man, that is awesome. That is great. That is so cool. Oh man, that is awesome. Mrs. Legs has done really well so far. I can't complain. Oh, and what is this over here? All right. Awesome, awesome. Bobby Legs. I love making these videos, and I hope you like them too. So I guess I say that a lot in my videos. That is awesome. Awesome. And now let me see what else is in here. Oh, some envelopes. What? Okay, so let's open this over here. And this is okay. Ah, Bobby Legs. That is awesome. Bobby Legs stationery and envelopes. Well, that is awesome. So, when I do my correspondence with my pen pals, I can send them, these Bobby Legs um, stationery cards. Well, that is awesome. Mrs. Legs, thank you very much. I love you. And this has been a great start to a great Father's Day. And I'll see you guys very, very soon.